Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. I'm so excited for today's video because one of my favorite discoveries of 2023 is this cream blush from Bobbi Brown. This is not a new blush to the market, but I just discovered it this year. It's their Pot Rouge for lips and cheeks. You guys have seen me use the shade Fresh Melon and Pale Pink for so many months now. This took over my entire blush collection as my favorite cream blush I've ever tried. And the problem with this, and I've said it in so many videos, was they only had 3 shades for the longest time. Until recently. I'll put up the video. I was shopping at Ulta and I found that they had new shades, and it was like Bobbi Brown was listening to my videos because I was like, please expand the shade range. Lo and behold, they have new shades. I bought, I think, 4 at Ulta, whatever they had in stores. I bought every single one. And then I went online and saw they had more than what I had seen in stores, and so I bought every single color. That's how much I love this, but I wanted to do a swatch video. I've never really done a blush swatch video. The cool thing about this formula though is it is for cheeks and lips, so I'm gonna be showing you what it looks like on both the cheeks and lips. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. There's a total of 9 shades, I believe, maybe 8. I'm kind of confused about the shade Fresh Melon. As of now, it's still available at Ulta, but it's not on Bobbi Brown's website, so I'm not really sure. Maybe it's gonna be an Ulta exclusive, I don't know. Maybe they're discontinuing it, I don't know, I hope not. But just in case, I'm gonna swatch it in this video anyway because it's one of my favorites. You guys know I love to do like an ombre look using these, but obviously for this video, I wanted to do just like a normal swatch video, one color at a time, so we can really get a feel for each color. So we're gonna start off with Fresh Melon, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's the most beautiful, light, fresh melon shade. Perfect for spring and summer. I really can't wait to try the other shades. The thing I love about this formula though is it's comfortable on the lips. It blends out over powders. I'm telling you, it's my favorite cream blush formula I've ever tried, and I've tried so many. So this one would obviously cater to more fair to light skin tones, but here it is on the cheeks and lips. This is the first shade called Fresh Melon. Next up is my other favorite shade. To be fair, I've only tried 2 shades, but this formula is to die for. But this one is Pale Pink, which is like the perfect Barbie pink. I don't know about you guys, but I am completely in my Barbie era. Like I feel like a lot of people are. I'm so excited for the Barbie movie. We're actually gonna go see it this weekend and I can't wait. But this is like the most beautiful Barbie pink. I'm just using my fingers to blend them out today, so a sponge usually makes it a little more even, but this is just so you can get the feel for how this looks on the lips and cheeks. So again, this is Pale Pink. It's so pretty. I love this one. And you guys know I love to mix Fresh Melon in this one. So these are the 2 shades that I've tried and that I love, but I'm so excited to try the rest. So let's get into it. I actually have one that was sent to me that I haven't tried yet, and that is Powder Pink. This one is in a limited edition packaging, so the color is the same. This is one of the 3 shades that were the original trio. Here's what this one looks like. I have swatched it, but I haven't put it on my face yet, so this one's more of a neutral. So let's go ahead and try on Powder Pink. Okay, this one is gorgeous. This gives a very natural, almost sun-kissed, but not super terracotta sun-kissed. It's a very natural blush color. For anyone who would be scared to wear blush, I feel like this would be a great option because it adds just a bit of color without being over the top whatsoever. That is so pretty. It looks great on the lips as well. So here is Powder Pink swatched on the lips and cheeks. All right, so now we're going into the brand new shades, which again, I bought every single one. The first one I'm gonna try out is Calypso Coral. So these are fresh. I have not touched any of them. Look how lovely this color is. I mean, talk about a good summer shade. I'm thrilled about this. So this is a gorgeous coral shade, obviously. Let's go ahead and try this out. Right off the bat, it feels like the brighter sister of Fresh Melon. The nice thing about these 2 is you can really build them up or sheer them out. I'm building them up a bit more for the purpose of this video so that like you can really see the blushes in their full intensity. Let's see what this would look like on the lips. This one is seriously so cute for summertime. Again, this is the shade Calypso Coral. Gorgeous, fresh coral color. I really like this one. Next, I'm gonna be swatching the shade Pink Flame. Ooh, this looks really nice. More of a true pink color. Let's see how this compares to Pale Pink. I'm just curious, like in the pan, how they differ. Okay, so pale pink is much more cool tone. This is like a little bit more of a warmer toned pink. Let's try it out. Okay, so that one's really nice as well. This is also a very summery kind of sun-kissed pink color. Here is Pink Flame swatched on the lips and cheeks. This one's really pretty as well. I especially like it on the lips. It's really nice. All right, next we are going to swatch another pinky color called Blushed Rose. This one's a bit deeper. I think this looks really pretty. So let's see how this one looks. Okay, this one's so nice. This along with Powder Pink, I feel like so far would be great everyday colors. Not that the other ones aren't, but this one's just a little more muted, which I feel like would suit a lot more people for everyday. I love the brown undertone of this though. It's very chic. I really like that. So again, this is Blushed Rose. That looks really pretty on the lips as well. Really nice kind of brownish rose color. Lovely, okay. So that was Blushed Rose. Next we're gonna be trying the shade Rose, which just looks like a little bit more of a warm toned version of Blushed Rose. This one seems like a true rosy pink, a little bit deeper than the ones we swatched before. Oh, this one's really pretty, really fresh. It's like a proper rose color, hence the name. So here's that one swatched on both the cheeks and the lips. This one's pretty. I really like this one a lot. It gives you a gorgeous, healthy flush without looking too bright or too brown. It's like the perfect rosy pink, like it's called. So pretty. Okay, we have two more left. We have Velvet Plum and Chocolate Cherry. I'm gonna start off with Velvet Plum. Look how pretty this one is. It's a really deep kind of plum color. So we're gonna start applying this all over the cheeks. Again, the thing I love about this is how you can really sheer them out or build them up. So even though I have more fair skin, a color like this still looks so pretty because I can kind of sheer it out to suit my skin tone, or you can build it up for whatever intensity you're looking for. I'm gonna build it up a little bit more so you can really see this color on the cheeks though. How gorgeous is this? I'm especially like thinking about fall and winter for me. A color like this would be so beautiful with like a chunky knit sweater. That is so pretty. So again, this is Velvet Plum. I love that one, especially on the lips. That is stunning. Wow, love it. Okay, we have one more, and that is the shade Chocolate Cherry, which looks like this. How beautiful is this? This is more of like a deep brownish red. I'm gonna start with this on just the lips. How pretty is that? And now let's build it up a bit on the cheeks. So here's Chocolate Cherry on the lips and cheeks. It's definitely a lot more of a bold color on me, on the cheeks and the lips obviously. Still so pretty, and when it's sheared out, it just kind of gives you that bitten cheek look. That's why I love this formula. It's just so fresh, so buildable, very foolproof. So here's the last shade, Chocolate Cherry. So pretty. Really quickly, I'm just gonna swatch them for you. So we have Fresh Melon, we have Pale Pink that I just swatched right here. I'm gonna try to do it in the order that I swatched it on the skin, but I might forget which order exactly. Here is the shade Powder Pink. That was that more neutral color. Next up we have Calypso Coral, which looks like that. Gorgeous. We have the shade Pink Flame, which is the more like toasted pink. I actually love that one. Next we have Blushed Rose, which was even more of like a deep rosy tone. We have the shade Rose, which is exactly what it sounds like, just a true rose color. We have Velvet Plum, which I absolutely loved on the lips specifically. And last but not least, we have Chocolate Cherry. So you can see the entire range here. How stunning. Ah, I'm thrilled. I'm gonna do a little bit of a look using the blushes because I'm so excited about some of the new shades that I tried. So I'm kind of wanting to mix a couple. Plus, I don't have any like bronzer on since I was doing cheek swatches of all the colors. So let me add a little bit more like foundation, bronzer, and then I'll come back to finish up the look on the cheeks and lips. For me, I really wanted to use the shade Pink Flame, which, you know, might actually take the bottom of my sponge. Since I did apply it in the swatches with my fingertips, I'll show you how easy it is to apply with a sponge, and it's actually even more seamless. So this is how I typically do it. I'll just take the bottom of my sponge, tap off the excess, and then I'll go in directly onto the face with the sponge. The nice thing about this too is you'll see how glowy it makes the skin, but it doesn't break up the makeup underneath. And I love to set my face with powder. It doesn't move it around. Obviously, you just want to be sure to bounce it into the skin, not like wipe it, just to ensure that it doesn't pick anything up. But it's one of my favorite formulas because of that. And I love to do a little ombre look. So I was actually really vibing with the powder pink shade, which is one of the original shades, but I'm gonna go ahead and layer this up in like the center of the face. So I'm gonna take that and kind of smile and apply this to more of the apples of the cheeks. So that's seriously one of my favorite things to do with the Fresh Melon and the pale pink color. I love to do an ombre blush look. So I'm so excited to continue to do that with these new shades. I'm so excited about these, if you can't tell. Look how fresh, I love it. Okay, it just looks so good. I'm so happy they expanded the range. Like, look how healthy my cheeks look. And I set the under eyes and the face with my Huda Beauty powder. You would never know because the cream blush on top of the powder looks so insanely good. Oh, it's divine. Let's do a little liner action. I think I'll use my Lawless Honey Rose just to kind of ground the edges. And then I wanna keep to the monochromatic theme. So I'm gonna go back into Pink Flame. And we're gonna press that on the entire lip. How gorgeous. And then of course, to keep with the ombre theme, I'm gonna take a little bit of Powder Pink, which was that more nude color. And I'm gonna pop this one in the center. This is just so pretty. I don't know if this is recommended, but I love the colors so much. I'm taking what's left on my fingertip and I'm just chucking that into the eye a little bit. Not in the eye, but the eyelid. You know what I mean? Just for a hint of color there as well. All right, you guys, so that completes this video. I hope you found it helpful to any of you guys who were already fans of this formula with the first couple of shades. I hope that this helps you if you're looking to buy new shades. And if you've never tried this formula, I also hope it helps you if you're looking to try it, which I highly recommend you do. They're not the cheapest, okay? So the fact that I have this many is actually a little bit insane, but it shows you how much I love these. And so hopefully, you know, if you're looking to pick up one color just to try out the formula and see what I mean, hopefully this gives you a little bit more direction for which color might suit you the best. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved filming it because I have been hoping for more shades in this amazing formula. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Have you guys tried this? This is something that I genuinely love so much. It's one of my favorite products of the year so far. I mean, I feel like it's one of my most used products, similar to my NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. Like, it's up there in quality and in just like how it makes me feel, how it looks on the skin all day. Like, I'm obsessed. I mean, you can't even deny how lovely that looks. Okay, let me know if you guys like these as much as I do. If you've tried them, I would love to hear from you in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you. Bye.